Привет, дорогие друзья! It's your Russian teacher Olisiia here again. Today I want to take you on a little Russian adventure. Imagine that you and I are spending a beautiful sunny day together. We are in a small cozy Russian town and I'm your guide. And today everything around us is moving. People are running, birds are flying, and boats are swimming across the river. Perfect for learning 3 important Russian verbs. Бежать, 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 to run, лететь, 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 to fly, плыть, 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 to swim. Поехали? Let's step into the story. We are walking down a quiet morning street. You suddenly point at a girl in a bright red jacket. You ask me, она идет или бежит? Она идет или бежит? Is she walking or running? I smile and answer, она бежит. Она спешит в школу. Она бежит. Она спешит в школу. She's running. She's hurrying to school. And you nod. You can see her running fast. Then I ask you back. А ты? Ты идешь или бежишь сегодня? А ты? Ты идешь или бежишь сегодня? And you? Are you walking or running today? You laugh and say, Я иду. Я иду. Я иду. I'm walking. As we keep walking, something moves above our heads. A little shadow slides across the pavement. You look up. Кто летит? Кто летит? Кто летит? Who's flying? And we see it, a beautiful white bird gliding through the sky. I answer slowly to let you repeat. Птица летит. Птица летит. Птица летит. The bird is flying. You repeat it with a smile. Good job. A moment later, a plane passes far above the clouds. I point at it and say, Самолет летит в Москву. Самолет летит в Москву. Самолет летит в Москву. Airplane is flying to Moscow. And then I add, мне кажется, поезд не летит, но русские говорят, поезд летит стрелой. Мне кажется, поезд не летит, но русские говорят, поезд летит стрелой. I think trains don't fly, but Russians say the train flies like an arrow. We continue our walk and reach a quiet river. The sunlight dances on the water. Suddenly you ask, кто плывет? Кто плывет? Кто плывет? Who is swimming? I point to a boy in the water. Мальчик плывет. Мальчик плывет. Мальчик плывет. The boy is swimming. Then we notice something else. Right next to him is a dog joyfully splashing. You laugh, and I tell you, собака тоже плывет. Собака тоже плывет. Собака тоже плывет. The dog is also swimming. A little boat slowly moves down the river. I show you. Лодка плывет по реке. Лодка плывет по реке. Лодка плывет по реке. The boat is floating down the river. You repeat the word плывет, 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 and your pronunciation is perfect. Плывет. We sit down on a bench near the river. It's quiet, peaceful, and a perfect moment to practice. I turn to you and ask, Let's try to use these verbs to talk about ourselves. And I start. Я бегу, когда опаздываю. Я бегу, когда опаздываю. Я бегу, когда опаздываю. I run when I am late. Then you say. Я бегу в спортзал. Я бегу в спортзал. Я бегу в спортзал. I'm running to the gym. Wonderful! Next we move to the verb лететь. 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 To fly. I say. Я лечу в новый город. Я лечу в новый город. Я лечу в новый город. I'm flying to a new city. You say. Я лечу домой на выходные. Я лечу домой на выходные. Я лечу домой на выходные. I'm flying home for the weekend. Perfect. Then we practice плыть. 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 I offer an example. Я плыву к берегу. Я плыву к берегу. Я плыву к берегу. I'm swimming to the shore. You try your own sentence. Я плыву медленно. Я плыву медленно. Я плыву медленно. I'm swimming slowly. Beautiful, natural, and clear. As we stand up to walk back, I decide to test you gently. We pass a boy running after a ball. I whisper. Он что делает? Он что делает? Он что делает? He. What is he doing? You answer. Он бежит. Он бежит. Он бежит. He is running. Correct? Правильно. Then we return to the river and see a boat again. Without hesitation, you say. Лодка плывет. Лодка плывет. Лодка плывет. The boat is floating. I clap softly. You got it. As our walk ends, I look at you and say, you see, Russian verbs of movement are not scary. They are alive. They move with the world around you. When people run, you use бежать. When birds and planes fly, you use лететь. And when boats and swimmers cross the water, you use плыть. And every day you understand Russian a little deeper. We walk a few more steps and I say, thank you for coming with me on this little Russian journey. If you want more lessons like this, stories, adventures, and real Russian, subscribe, like, and come back tomorrow. You smile and I finish. Пока-пока. До следующего урока.